In today's video, I will show you how to find hidden chats in the Poly AI app. To get started, open the Poly AI app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the message icon to go to your inbox. At the top of your message list, you will see a search bar. Click on it and type in the specific name of the character or person you were chatting with that is now hidden. In the search results, look for the entry that has the word chatted appearing next to the name. This indicates that you have an existing conversation history with them. Simply tap on that result and it will bring the hidden chat back into your main message view so you can continue where you left off. And that's it. That's how you find hidden chats in Poly AI. Thank you for watching.